AI characters. How AI characters will talk for you. You just give them audio or give them a script, they will talk for you. How you can generate a AI generated video using the AI tool, all everything you can get in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So first of all, you open your browser and then type there heygen.com and then press OK. Once you open your heygen.com, you have to sign up with the Google and then you will get the 2 free credit for you generating the video. That is the best tool that you can easily use freely, and then here you can find out the multiple characters you can use for your videos. You just have to give a script, or you give your pre-recorded audio, or you can directly voice over and then they will sync your voice, lip sync, and then generate video for you. For example, we generate a video, so you can learn how you can use this Heygen, and then next time you can easily generate your video. So you can see the option create with AI Studio, and then you can find out here the two ratios, landscape and portrait. If you want to generate short video, you just select the portrait, and then you want to create the landscape, so you click the landscape. So I'm generating the landscape video, so I click that one. Once I click the landscape video, you can see here the instant avatar, the character list. You can choose any character to make video for you. You can see here the multiple character. So for example, I just choose any character to generate video for me. So for example, I just select that character, and then if you want to change the background for this one as a green screen, so you can, so just right click on the side and then you can set here a background, and then you can choose any color background. For example, I just put the green screen and then click OK. Now the other options you can see here, the add script. If you want to add a script, you can give the script to this character will talk for you. You can simply give the script, and then if you want to add pause sections, for example talking and then a little bit pause and then again talk, so you can easily put the pause section also. And then if you want to directly voice over, so your lip sync will automatically detect, and then this character will talk for you also. You can directly voice over. And then the fourth option is pre-recorded audio. If you already have your voice over on and then this character will talk for you, you just select the upload audio. For example, I'm using my pre-recorded audio now here, so I just click upload audio and then upload local audio. Now select my audio and then open, so it will directly select the duration of my audio, and then it's ready for the submit to download our video or generate our video. So we click the submit. Now here is confirming you that this video is, if less than 30 seconds, it will take the half credit. If more than 30 seconds, it will take your 1 credit. So this one is actually this 30-second video, so only taking half credit. I click the submit. Now it's generating the video for me. As you can see in my previous videos, my intro level is always I'm using these characters is intro for me. They will talk for me. Actually the I'm doing the voice over, but the character will talk for me. So that is the way I'm doing the video for me. You can simply also using this AI tool to create video for you also. Now you can see our video is ready, and then you can see the download option. You click the download, so we download first before we play. You can see on the top it's downloading.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
Now the bonus option is I will show you how you can use that clip. So you can open your video editor and then import your video just now we created. I'm using here the Filmora. For example, I made a clip how I do my intro always. So I import this one is first timeline, and then just now I created the video. That one I use in PIP. Then I drag the timeline. I remove the intro.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
Split the entire part and then just remove the greeny screen. Okay, then this one resolution I slept the 16:9. Okay, then this character if I want to move I can add anywhere, or if you want to make small also you can make it small. It's depend on your clip. So that is the easiest method that you can select any character to talk for you. That is the AI generated video. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.